I will desample my Smith & Wesson 686-6. I remove the grip. The side plate here have 3 screws. This one here is for the cylinder. It has a spring inside. It's a version 6, so this 2 screw here is the same. I remove them. To get the side plate off, I will knock here and it will spring up. Side plate. This one here is the hammer block. Take this out. And the mainspring. Mainspring. And it's sit on this one here. Sit like this. Next thing I remove will be the hammer. I put the trigger. And just take it up. This one here, reborn spring, is the spring that take the trigger ahead. And it's pretty heavy, the spring in here. So to take it out, I go in here and lift it a little up there, and the spring will fly out. Screwdriver in under here, push up, and I put a rack over so it's not will fly away. Here it's come. Next thing is the trigger. take this arm out. And the trigger can just get up. In here we have a small pin. This arm here has a little spring inside, and I will not take this arm off. And the same as the hammer here. This also have a spring inside here. It's the double action series, and I will not take this out. Next things to take out will be this one here, the magazine, the cylinder. Release. This one here has a little pin and a very small spring inside here. I take off the cylinder. I will not desample and resample the cylinder. There will be a link on this YouTube video where I desample and resample this cylinder. Very small spring sitting on this pin. The firing pin. I put the firing pin in and take this pin out. And here the firing pin spring. Inside the gun, the spring sits like this, and this little pin here go in and sit like this and hold it back. Small pieces. The lock, I never use it, and I will not disassemble that. Last thing is the cylinder stop. The spring will fly out, so put the rack here. Here it comes. Cylinder stop, and the spring go in here. Almost completely disassemble Smith & Wesson revolver. In number 2 video I will resample the gun again. Thank you for watching.